Are you wondering how Mailchimp can completely transform your workflow and boost productivity? Stick around, because in this video, I'll break down exactly how it works and why it might just be the solution you're looking for. First, let's talk about the basics of software name. It's an all-in-one tool designed to streamline your work processes and save you tons of time. Whether you're managing projects, collaborating with teams, or handling customer interactions, this software can handle it all. But here's the kicker. You can try it completely for free with the exclusive bonus linked below. That's right, get started without any commitment and see for yourself how it can improve your productivity. Now, next thing you'll want to know is its ease of use. A major highlight of software name is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to get up and running. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's used other tools in the past, you'll find the learning curve is very minimal. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, making it easy to access all the features you need without getting lost in complicated menus. If you're someone who values simplicity, this software will be right up your alley. The fourth thing I need to mention is its seamless integration capabilities. Software name can easily connect with the other tools you're already using. So, whether it's syncing with your calendar, importing data from other platforms, or linking with project management tools, it'll work with your existing workflow effortlessly. This means no more jumping between different apps or worrying about compatibility issues. Now, let's get into the features that really set software name apart. For one, it's got built-in automation that can take repetitive tasks off your plate. Whether it's scheduling meetings, following up on emails, or even managing content, you can set up triggers that make these processes run automatically. Imagine how much time that saves you each week. You can focus more on strategic work rather than getting bogged down with the mundane. And here's something a lot of people miss out on: the analytics. The software not only helps you get tasks done, but it also provides valuable insights into your performance. You'll get detailed reports that help you see what's working, what's not, and where you can improve. It's the kind of feedback that allows you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your workflow even further. Finally, let's talk about support. If you ever run into any issues or have questions, Software Name offers top-notch customer support. From live chat to email support, you'll get the assistance you need quickly and efficiently. No more waiting on hold for hours or trying to figure things out on your own. If you're still on the fence, here's the deal. In this video, I've mentioned how you can grab an exclusive and extended free trial of Software Name using the link below. This gives you full access to all features without any strings attached. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your productivity for free. Click the link below to get started and take advantage of our exclusive offer. You'll thank me later.